Hello everybody, Trade Spotting here. This is a potential trade setup. 3 different entries with stops, all tightly managing risk to provide a healthy risk and reward ratio. And this particular chart looks like it's giving us signals that might provide a trading strategy that would fit within these targets. Also, this ticker is TLT. That's the iShares 20-year Treasury bond. It would typically move up when rates go down. So it might be sort of thing that you could look to in the market at the minute. You know, price of bonds go up, price of rates go down, vice versa. You could be looking at these sort of things thinking, might provide you with some protection of your overall account. Who else here then? We've got 8 people watching. Thanks so much for tuning in. 8 of you. Corman, J. Fern, Keys, Jumpin', Jabberwock, Aaron. Cool. Thanks for being here. Great to see you. Right, so these are the trade setups. Probably make it a quick video today then. Not many people around. We're looking at TLT. The reason for this trade, just keep it brief I suppose. 200 period moving average on the monthly looks like it might be holding. Weekly time frame. Downward sloping resistance. You hit that. That was the previous trade we had on this. From these levels took it up to around 108. We thought at that point you'd probably get a test of 100 again. So the first potential trade setup is on the go. And then beyond that you're looking down to daily time frame here, slightly clearer picture. If you manage to hold this level, that'd be a 50% retracement, and you might be targeting 236 again up at around 105. Or the first part of this trade might take you to around 109, the prior high. If you do catch this low and exceed that high, the next target above would be the 886 at the same Fibonacci up around 116, and that'd be a healthy trade to take from here. 16%. Depending on the way the market goes, that might be a sort of trade that protects you. The stop loss there on the first trade, quite a healthy distance. I mean, you might want to cut it off yourself around 98 to 96, exceeding the golden pocket and the 236 on the other way round. I've got here the 886. Oops. 886 is where I would stop out of that because I know I was wrong, but you could alternatively use that as your entry or a stop on this guy. Slight lower entry there with the first place this will go if it doesn't hold that 50 simple down at around 97, 98. And then this trade here, which is a double test of this low, which we typically would see if the RSI came back, slightly further with the rejection of the center line here on the daily. You would see it perhaps price go beyond the golden pocket there, and as such you might be looking for where you're wrong beyond, like the deepest possible entry. Most chocolate on your biscuit is in at around 92, 93, and then there's potential moves even exceeding that prior high to the 1618, and if you did get there, that'd be 40%. But 16 to 23 is more the sort of thing to look to. So that's something to look out for, maybe. Cool. Yo. So I let me know if use the links. Let me know if you want me to look at anything else. Otherwise, we'll just say thank you very much. Nice show. This is the trade we talked about on Sploshing. It's up around, what's that, about 80%. It's an 80% trade, so that was good. Did that one for free. Here's FARS, Alloys, came back, Rocky's Flash. We took it from 10, just under, to around 15. That was a 50% trade, and it was a really good setup behind that one. These are still some of the biggest movers today. We've got our eyes on VIX. People obviously looking at that 9-10% moves there. Pretty good. And what else? Talked about OTLY. Oh yeah, Sol, of course. Oh no, we didn't talk about OTLY. That was Sol, the first one up 80%. OTLY as well. This is the one we did on Sploshing. Sol was just the other day there, Monday or something. OTLY's up 71%. free trades. No, that's spots I'm talking about. So, and if you take, anyway. So, thanks very much, everybody, then.